Today, we'll be installing the Daystar product's lower switch panel for the Jeep Wrangler JK. Begin by placing tape around the lower center dash panel to protect the surrounding panels. Using a trim panel tool, remove the factory lower dash panel. Working from the back side of the panel, use a razor blade and cut out the switch holes. Tech tip: cut a smaller hole and use a file to adjust the hole to proper size for a snug fit, and install your Daystar switches. Remove the two factory clips, compress the clips using needle nose pliers, and install them on the Daystar switch panel. Install the Daystar switch panel by putting the lower pins in first, then align the rear clips and push in until they snap into place. Switch your electric accessories into high gear with the Daystar product's lower switch panel for the Jeep Wrangler JK.